Alright, so in the past week, I installed more 12 volt, cap that side, and then 12 volt over here, and then installed this and changed what method I was using. I was going to make it to where I could run the TV off of a splitter here for the antenna and then coming outside to that port, but instead, now with this different type of splitter that I put in, you can switch between cable and antenna. And that way then if we're ever at a park where they have free cable, you can plug in there because we'll be using the projector mainly outside. Still have to finish the 12 volt plug up there right now. I've just got it, ran into that for testing. I've got my laptop charging, cell phones charging. This is my newest toy. We'll come back to that in just a second. Built a battery box and got the second 100 amp hour Windy Nation AGM deep cycle battery put in. Have those chained together. And of course still just have a makeshift 12 volt coming off of it just for my fan. Still working on the kitchen countertop and framing in the kitchen cabinet. But that box I just built out of 2x4s and then truck bed coated it. That way then it doesn't get scuffed up and beat up and keeps it protected. But the toy, I've been wanting surround sound for the camper. Caught a lot of flack. People think that I'm going to be blaring this at campgrounds on some forums that I posted it on. But that's not what it's meant for, because most of the time that we're going to be camping, we'll be boondocking in the middle of nowhere where no one else is around. But for nights whenever you want surround sound, you want to watch a movie, it's raining, whatever the case may be, I wanted something that's going to put out a little more noise than what one of my small Bluetooth speakers would. But this one's pretty neat because it will do solid light, and then it flashes with the bass. It is 2 10s and then 2 tweeters built in a Bluetooth speaker box. It's got a built-in tuner as well. I think it's a 7 amp hour battery that's in it. It's close to 30 pounds. I'll post a link on there. But I'm just going to show you an example of what it sounds like.
Only matter almost undisturbed.
Your message said the count doubled after the last solar eruption.
Try to get to something that's going to have a little bit of...
Yeah, let's go. Fill it up. Let's get ready.
But it's got pretty good sound. It beats any box that or any Bluetooth speaker that I've ever owned in my life. The other thing that I got done, I've been painting this for like the last week, putting several coats on it. I don't know if anybody noticed in the past couple videos, this piece, whenever we did the wallboard put up there, it did not reach quite to the stud that was in the ceiling. So it has just been hanging down. I sanded down a piece and then painted it white to match. And then put it in there. I used acrylic painter's caulk in there. After putting the screws in, then I'll put one more coat of paint over it so you won't even see the screw holes. And then I have pieces cut. It's going to go from that one over here to the vent, and then from that side over. Got the shroud cut out around the fan. It's getting down to the wire. But that's the update that I've got so far. If I do anything else this weekend, which I know I will, if it's anything that means much, then I'll get an update put up.